At first, finding confidence in myself was hard. Always thinking about how people thought of me and never thinking of myself. Some days I would say, is it really worth it? But then you realize, these people judging you, they don't do anything for you. It is you who can change your life. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything. To succeed, you have to make plans. And for me, it all starts here. Protein plays such a big role in gaining muscle. It has so much functions, it makes me think, other than from food, how does our body create these proteins?
Proteins are the workhorses of our cells. They perform a wide range of functions, from building tissues to acting as enzymes that speed up chemical reactions. Have you ever wondered how proteins are made? Well, let's learn about that today. Proteins are made through DNA, and this process is called protein synthesis. But what is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and this is what it looks like.
Think of DNA as a blueprint for an organism. It contains instructions for building and maintaining an organism's cells, tissues, and organs.
Now that we know what DNA is, let us proceed. Protein synthesis is basically how our cells turn the genetic information stored in DNA into the building blocks of our bodies, protein.
Protein synthesis contains stages, and the stages are transcription and translation.
The first stage of protein synthesis. A segment of DNA is copied into a molecule of RNA. RNA polymerase reads the DNA code and creates a complementary RNA molecule, which is modified into tRNA, mRNA, rRNA, and other RNAs. The mRNA moves to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm, the second stage of protein synthesis. It uses the genetic information from RNA to build a sequence of amino acids. The translation process begins with the initiation phase, where a small subunit of the ribosome binds to the mRNA. The ribosome reads the sequence of codons on the mRNA. It matches them to the corresponding tRNAs. Finally, the ribosome reaches a stop codon, which signals the end of translation, releasing a newly synthesized protein into the cytoplasm.